So here's how to send message on Tinder. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to try out Tinder for free if you are a new user. First, let's open up the Tinder application. Once you're here, you will get to see these options on the bottom. From here, you need to tap on Chats. Once you're in the chat section, you'll be able to view all your Tinder matches on this page. This functions just like any other messaging applications that you use. All you need to do is tap on any of your Tinder matches and then use the messaging option on the bottom and type in any text that you want to send. This way, you can message anyone that you match with on Tinder. But keep in mind that you cannot message anyone that you haven't matched yet on Tinder. So by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and send your first message on Tinder.